#LoveWins.
Okay. Back to you, Joan.
Yes.
Mlimit aje?
Hey.
Easy question.
Tulimit tu mahali siku fulani.
Oh.
Yeah.
It was easy.
Tulimit kwa event actually. Yeah.
Oh, mlimit kwa event. From there?
Tukajuana and then tukaanza kumentana.
The rest is history.
Yeah, the rest is about mentoring.
Oh.
Yeah. But it took some time. Because huwezi patana mtu and then you are into that person. You have to learn who is this person and why should I get into her that much. And I think all went well.
Abed, for the longest time, Joan usema wewe ni mentor wake.
Right.
But people huwa understand na nje ingine. Yani wewe the andu angemea kwa si alusi nende Joan, are you going to invite her to America? Hiyo unaweza tujibu?
Joan, she's my best friend. This young lady, she's very intelligent, she's very beautiful, she's very independent, she works very hard. That pulls me towards her as a friend, okay? So that bond of friendship, together with me being a mentor, I know it has created that dynamic relationship that some people don't understand. Now, am I...
Kambingandini